The PNP and CRPO will intensify patrol operations in Metro Manila this coming weekend and All Saints and All Souls Day. The Metro Manila Police also advises the public to be on guard against criminal elements who may take advantage of the coming two long weekends. The details from Alvin Baltazar.
The National Capital Region Police Office is all set for the two consecutive long weekend. The NCRPO says that they are now in the implementation phase and that all their men are obliged to conduct a relentless patrol operation to every barangay in order to defy any possible attack by members of Akyat Bahay.
Nasa mga barangay na po yung mga police patrollers natin kasama yung barangay tanods. So dapat ito makover nila yung area ng bawat barangay, mga kalsada, yung mga establishment. So maiwasan natin yung mga panloloob at mapatrolyahan nga ito during long weekend.
But police authorities emphasize that not only residents should take extra precautionary measures, but establishment owners as well, saying that criminals surely have thousand ways of performing their evil ideas. One of which is the so-called tunnel rats tactic played by robbers who are painstakingly creating a tunnel for them to get inside their target area.
Makikita natin yung mga previous years, ang malimit na nangyayari dito yung tinatawag nating tunnel rats, yung sa mga drainage pumapasok at binubutas yung flooring or the ceiling ng business establishment dahil wala nga pong tao.
The PNP will also prioritize the safety of the public, expected to make an exodus on their way to their respective provinces, while they will likewise assist the Metro Manila Development Authority in administering the traffic flow. The Metro Manila Police Office, meanwhile, will wait for the national headquarters as to when they will implement the full alert status for the two consecutive long weekend. For the People's Television, Alvin Baltazar.